Minasan, konnichiwa. Welcome to my channel. This is Carl's Lingo Kingdom, where I talk about learning Kumrai, Gaelic, and Nihongo. And today, I'm going to be taking a little quiz test thingy on Duolingo within their new updated kind of layout. And I'm going to see if I can skip ahead to the next unit. I'm not sure how Duolingo's new kind of system transferred where you were in the old system into where you are in the new system, but it placed me in Unit 14. So I'm like partially away Unit 14. And since we had a baby this year, my Japanese abilities, and especially my ability to practice Japanese, is kind of gone down a bit. So I'm not sure if I've gotten worse or if I've maintained. So we're going to take the Unit 15 kind of test and see how well I do and see if I can skip ahead and jump straight into Unit 15. Okay, so here we go. You want to jump to Unit 15. Pass the test. We won't make it easy for you though. Let's go. Hare. Okay, you know what? First thing I'm noticing here is it's weird that it is showing the romaji for this, since when I use Duolingo on my phone, which is mostly how I use Duolingo, I've got that turned off. So it's weird that it did not keep that that setting. Hare means clear. Also, another thing I've noticed earlier today, I didn't film it, but I took the checkpoint to go from Unit 14 to Unit 15 in Gaelic, and it actually gave me 5 hearts. Kotcha. Kotcha oshii desu. Or should it be kotcha ga hoshii desu? I feel like this is one of those ways where if someone was speaking, they would say kotcha o hoshii desu or kotcha o hoshii. But Duolingo wants me to say ga. Oh, will it not let me drag? That's annoying. Kotcha ga hoshii desu. Yeah. It's the only one with katakana, so you know that's what it is. I'm not very good at katakana, honestly. I'm still working on that. このシャツは高くないです。Oops. 長く、not 高く、長く。Wait, shouldn't it be 高く? Tamaku. Takaku nai desu. Yep. Okay. 自転車。今日は暖かいです。冬。Okay. Now we're getting one that's a bit more difficult. Last month. 先月. This is especially difficult for someone like me, an English speaker, because the subject, object, verb, thing is so different than Japanese. English versus Japanese. I remember doing this one, but it's been a couple weeks last time I saw this one. So we know the verb is call, and that's going to be at the very end. Like call, masta. Or no, that's phone. No, that's call. Let's see. Kake? No. Itadakimasu. It's making me hungry. Natsukashi. Neko? Neko-chan. Konnichiwa. Neko-chan. Lupin Hakase. Minasan. Konnichiwa. Neko ga daisuki. Okay, now that I've made a fool of myself on the internet, will you help me out with this? Nope, okay. He doesn't want to learn Japanese right now. For those of you who already speak Japanese better than me, please stop laughing at me. I've only got 3 tries here, and I'm not even halfway through. That's one thing I wish Duolingo would give you partial credit. It's like, oh, you almost got it. But let's see. 日本の友達に I don't think that's right. I don't think that's right. 友達に日本の友達に電話をかけました。Oh my gosh, I got it right. 日本の友達に電話をかけました。すごい。My brain is. I'm gonna have to listen to all of these because my brain is like. 飛行機 and stuff like that. See, this one's actually kind of a cheat. Because if it's nai, it's always going to be kunai. So if it's negative, it's always ku. Nagakunai desu. Oh, this one's hard. So I remember translating this one, like working on this one. Oh no, wait, maybe I'm thinking of a different one. Let's try it. Apple, no. Oh man, Orinjiro. See, I hate that I can't drag and drop. Orinjiro. Yes! I was worried because we've got um, o and o used differently, but they sound the same, and I was a little worried. But yeah. Orinjiro no koto kimasu. I am still amazed that I've gotten this far and not made a mistake. Like I am. Uh, hmm, cool. It will snow tonight. No. Yes! Another thing that will help you if you're using Duolingo. One thing I didn't realize this until another coworker told me, and I was like, why have I been using Duolingo for years and never noticed this? But almost always, when you complete an exercise in Duolingo correctly, there's always four other little words or phrases left down here at the bottom. So if you complete something and you think you're done and you look down and there's more than four, 95% of the time you probably are making a mistake. So that also helps, and I can't believe it took me so long to learn that. It's another thing. Pantsu sounds like pants, but at least in American English, pants just mean trousers or breeches, whereas in Japanese, pantsu is underwear. I think this is the way it is in UK. In the UK, pants is underwear. Um, but for an American, it's weird to see pants, pantsu, and then see underwear. Like what? When in reality, in Japanese, pants is actually zubon.
Aha, 帽子、かぶります。It's another interesting thing about Japanese. I'm just telling you this stuff because I think it's interesting to finally have learned it. And depending on now I'm thinking that mataku is at the very beginning. Sake wa mataku. Okay, so let's start over with this. Let's say mataku. Oh my gosh, I got it. Oh, there's another correct solution? Oh, sweet. I had an alternate correct version. That's really cool. I wonder what the difference is. Like, seems like there's not a lot of difference. But if you are a native speaker of Japanese or you're more advanced than I am in Japanese, let me know down in the comments what the difference is between what I typed, which is correct, and the other version down here, if there even is one. 明日の Where's Asta? Okay, that is Asta. I was confused. Asta. Looking for Molt, but maybe it's not. What is tomorrow's weather again? Tenki. Mata. So where does the mata go? That's the question. Mata. Here goes the beginning. Mata. 明日の天気は何ですか? Let's try it at the very beginning. Yokata! I am amazed. That is really cool. And I am excited for that. I had no idea that I would be able to do that. That's really cool. Now, if we wanted to go super hard, I could try to jump up here to unit 18. Or wait, it'll let me jump to any unit. So let me know in the comments if you want me to try to jump ahead to another unit, and maybe I'll try to get on here and do that. But if you would like to know other ways that you can learn Japanese, especially Japanese using stories, then I highly recommend that you check out the way that I have been learning Japanese, which is through Ollie Richards' Story Learning. And the really cool thing about that is you're not just doing, little games or little quizzes, which are good and are helpful, but you're actually learning vocabulary and grammar and sentence structure all in context in the form of short stories. And you get to hear from a native speaker about, how to use certain phrases and why things are said the way they are and different things like that. So if you want to get a hold of that course, which I highly recommend, I'm taking it right now, then click the link down below and get a 7-day free trial of Japanese Uncovered. じゃあまた